Okay, first get a towel, put it on the sill so the water doesn't go on the sill. I'll get some liquid to squirt on, and this is just washing detergent in some water, and just squirt it on. And I'm using a nail brush, small nail brush, and just a little bit more. That should be sufficient, and you just scrub it with the nail brush like I'm doing here, making sure you go right in the edges, because as you know, you get mould on the edges there. So now you get another squirty bowl. It's just got clean water in it, and what you do is you irrigate the glass like this, just sort of scrub loose a little bit as you go, and you can see it's rinsing all the soap that is on the glass. Make sure you do it thoroughly. This is what the towel's there for. A few more scrubs, a bit more water. So now you get a towel, fold it in quarters, whatever, and you proceed in drying the clean water off. So you just flip it over, just dry it, and in time it'll dry off, and I suppose, well, that's about it.